Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to see how we can access local hosted website on your mobile or any other computer. So as you can see, I have hosted this website on my local, so it can be accessed using localhost, something like that, but that is my local IP, so you can access it like that as well. So let's see what we have in IAS. So I have followed very normal steps for adding any website to this IAS, and it's working fine in my browser while accessing it in local. But when I try to access it in my mobile or any other computer which is connected to the same network, it is not able to access it. So after searching a lot, I came to know that we need to add some rules in the firewall in order to give access to that particular thing. So as you can see, I have used different port. So in order to access that port, we need to allow it to open into firewall. So in order to go to the firewall, we need to open it. So it can be opened like by typing firewall, and this is the option which I have used, Defender with advanced security. So it will open up this thing, and inside that we need to create a new rule. So when you click on it, it will show a different a pop-up kind of window, in which what we want to do is we need to open port for local access. So we need to use port and then click next, and then TCP will be will be enabled by default. So here we need to like tell it what port we need to expose. So I will just use 8089, which will be the same port like we have it in here. So after doing that, we need to click next, and from the action we need to choose allow the connection. So what it will do is when you going to access this path from your mobile or any other computer, it will look for the these rules, and if it is matches like 8089 is the port which application is trying to access, or any other computer, it will allow that connection to do it. And then we have that domain private domain, so you can just use it by default, and then we can uh, give some name like core EF access 8089, something like that. It can be anything, so it will be just visible here, so that you are able to see. Okay, fine, that is the rule I have defined. So always try to use the application name with this name, so that you can see the rules which you have applied on this thing. So when you click on finish, it should allow you to access it. So let's try to go into the mobile first. Let me just first disable the rule, and go to the mobile and see whether it is able to access or not. So I'm trying to do it from this mobile, and as you can see, it's keep loading, and I am connected to the same network which is defined there. So it is not working here. Let's just go back and enable this. So we have seen that these tools are disabled, and when I try to access it, it was not accessing in my mobile. So I will just use this one and enable the rule, and go back to the mobile and see whether it will going to work or not. So after accessing enabling the rule, now I am trying to access it. As you can see, it is showing. So that is the same thing which we have seen in our PC. So if I go and turn on my camera, and you might be able to see me, see my screen, that it's showing very similar output with that. And if I go to the Chrome again, and it is showing again the same. So So now you have seen how we can access this using a firewall. So I have done many times, but I always forget about it, that we need to enable something inside a firewall. So do mind that, and I think it's a very straightforward process, whether you are using a .NET Core or any ASP.NET, or maybe using PHP or similar technologies. So one thing you always need to remember, that your website should work locally first, then you will try to access it. And do mind that your local IP address will be used for accessing those websites, because we tend to confuse it with localhost. So localhost doesn't have any meaning over another network. So always mind that to use IP address along with the port number of your website. So I think I have cleared this up, and if you have any question regarding this, please comment below. And if this video of any help for you guys, please like and subscribe, so that I can do more videos like that. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.